Hi guys, and welcome back to another video by me. If you are new here today, then hello and welcome. Thank you for joining me. I hope you stay with me for a minute. I'm guessing you're wondering, what am I doing? Actually, no, you're probably not wondering what I'm doing because you've probably clicked on this video for a reason by reading the obvious title of the video. There we go. But in case I forget to say otherwise, please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment down below, guys. It means a lot to me. Today is a cooking video. I've never really done one of these, I don't think, before on here on my channel, which is surprising. But basically it's Seb's start that again. It's Seb, my boyfriend's birthday tomorrow, the 24th of November. And I'm basically going to try and make him a little heart cake or a cake with this. And I'm also going to bake some cookies just because, why not? Sorry, water dripping everywhere. Just cleaned all the stuff out. I went and bought some bits and bobs from Aldi, my favourite place of all to buy my shopping. So today is a little cooking vlog type thing. I hope you guys enjoy this. I will show you what I've got right here in a sec. And yeah, wish me luck because I haven't baked a cake in a really long time. So I really don't know how this is going to go. But yeah, let's just crack a lacking go. Please ignore the dirty laundry basket and stuff down there. But yeah, so like I said, from Aldi, we've got some icing sugar. We've got some milk chocolate jazzles. We've got some baking powder, vanilla extract. Please ignore my disgusting nails. Can't believe I'm showing them. I've got these little templates for the little shortbread cookies I might make. I'm not sure whether or not I want to make the shortbread cookies. I might just make these little gooey chocolate chip cookie mix from Betty Crocker. I've got some butter. We've got all the sorts that we need. Flour, a little stencil thing for the cake, and my mixing bowls and my mixing utensils. Eggy, eggy, eggy. Oi, oi, oi. So, need some eggs, of course. I think that's it. Basically, I'm just making a simple cake. I just don't really know what I'm doing, to be honest. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope it doesn't blither too much. I don't really know what I'm going to talk about while I'm doing this video, but let's just go because I'm running out of time. It's already 3 o'clock and I need to do this cake before Seb gets here tonight and also do the icing and all that. So fingers crossed it goes well. Yeah, we need 200 grams, but I'm only going to put 100 grams because this is a smaller cake that I'm making. So 100 grams. Okay, so I found some self-raising flour. I need 100 grams of that, I think. Yep, 100 grams. Right, now I'm going to pop in 2 eggs instead of 4. It says 4, but I'm going to put 2 because it's a miniature cake. We've got the eggs in here. I'm just gonna get a fork out to whisk the eggity eggies. Just look what I'm doing. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And get it open. Ugh. Ugh. What? Well, it'll be halfway now, actually. Let's just say that. 2 teaspoons of milk. Make whatever. Let's just do that. It's basically, it's Seb's birthday tomorrow. He's 27, and I have surprised him with booking go-karting for tomorrow because he loves cars. He loves like anything relating to cars. And yeah, so hopefully he's gonna enjoy the surprise of that. I think I'm more excited than him about his birthday. If you want to know how to bake a cake, you probably shouldn't watch this video because this is a really bad example of how to bake a cake. Yeah, I got balloons, I've got a present. I've done it like space, sort of like out of space, stars, rocket ships, that kind of theme for his birthday because he's obsessed with space. Like I said, do not copy what I'm doing. I'm going to shove all of that in there. This looks like mush. I'm literally just pouring it all in one. I know this isn't a proper way of making a cake. I know you're supposed to sieve things and add bit by bit, and my mum always taught me that when I used to bake when I was younger, but I don't really have the time for that. Need that one actually. I am on a time limit. I'm a student nurse, like many of you know, and I'm also trying to juggle personal life, childcare for my nieces and nephews, keeping a social life. It's just like a lot to think about, isn't there? Never ending. I don't know how this works. Ta-da! I'm going to butter it so it doesn't get stuck to that and pop the filling in. Okay, in case I forgot to tell you guys, I also preheated the oven. The oven's on now, and I'm going to pop in the cake mixture. So just please don't do it the way I'm doing it, I guess. It's kind of a bad way. Okay, I've got a bit too much mixture, so I might make some little cupcakes to go with it. Right, now the cake is in, and I've made some little mini ones as well. I don't know if you want to see, but basically I had some extra mix, so I just made a couple of little ones. Oh, can't see that. There we go. Just in there. But I didn't have any little cases, so I had to just butter them, and pop them in. But yeah, I'll let you know when that's finished. It's 25 past when I put it in. Hopefully it's not going to take too long, like half an hour, because I want to ice it before Seb gets here, but I haven't got very long. Sorry guys, I just remembered I forgot to film my icing. I haven't done the icing yet. So, icing. 100 grams, well 150, I'm going to put, let's say 80 there. Butter, 100 grams. Right, I'm just making myself a coffee and having a quick little sit down break whilst the cake continues to cook. I have finished doing the icing. It's actually went better than I thought. It was like really hard to mix at first, but now it's looking really smooth and slick. When the cake's finished cooking, I will show you the finished product. It's actually risen a lot more than I hoped it would, but I'll let you know, I'll update you guys. I'll show you quickly what it looks like so far. Look how tall it is. Look at it. But it's looking good. They look like Yorkshire puddings, the little ones. So, a little update on the cake situation. The cake has finished cooking. I'm hoping it will be alright. I hope I haven't dried it out or anything. My dad's just got back from work. By the time it cools down, I doubt I'm going to be able to film in the light to actually decorate it for you guys. It's now gone 4 o'clock and the weather is getting like, just get dark really early, as you know. But I will show you the little updated cakes. Okay, please don't judge these. They look like Yorkshire puddings, these. I'm not using them, I just need to use up some mix, so I might just eat them myself. But this is the little cake. Yes, it looks a bit golden, but actually I quite like it when the top layer's a bit goldeny. I'm thinking I might have to cut the top off anyway to put the icing on, so I'm not sure. I'm going to let it cool down and then I will take it out of the little mould and update you guys. But it looks quite cute. So it's quite dark, it looks actually more burnt than it actually is. Yeah, there you go. Put the cookies in. They take 12 minutes or something. I didn't show filming the, oh they smell good. I didn't show filming the, well baking the cookies because it was really simple and it was actually really messy, so I didn't do that. So if I don't get to film the icing on the top, because I do need to do that tonight, I'll take a picture and pop it in at the end of the video. If you did enjoy this video guys, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and put the notifications bell on so you're notified for when I post next. I know it's a really like bizarre random video. I didn't really know what the point was of this, but I enjoyed it. I hope you guys did, and thank you for watching, and hopefully I will see you in another video. Thanks guys, bye.